Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing two of my eBay phones I got. I paid $9.99 for them. It's a Sony Ericsson and a Samsung X497. And the Sony Ericsson is a W200A. I don't remember if they were tested or not. They were really cheap, so I'm trying to see if my address is on there, which it is. Let's see. So here they are. I do have that Sony Ericsson charger I just got in that eBay lot not that long ago. So that's going to be kind of nice. Definitely packaged tight. Here's the Sony Ericsson. It does have a battery, which a lot of my Sony Ericsson phones don't, so we'll be able to test it. I'm going to be doing a couple update videos as well. I've been really slow on them. It looks like the LCDs on this one is broken right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the LCD is broken. That might be a scratch, but I'm pretty sure the LCD is broken. This thing looks pretty rough anyways. Let's see, I really just got it for parts because I'm actually going to be ordering a couple more of these. So that's kind of just parts on if I need it. It's probably got an unlocked board or something like that I could use off of it. Other than that, the body's pretty rough. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of these two. It's pretty quick and easy. I mean, not much to it. I'll do an update on these ones. The update on the other phones are coming pretty soon. So, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Peace.